If you're looking to track your website analytics without having to sacrifice your privacy, there's a self-hosted version of a website analytics tool that's called Ackee. You can host this on your VPS and keep everything private without having to share this with, for example, Google. So you can go ahead and install this right now on Ackee, and I'm going to show you how. Now, this is Ackee, and it's open source, free to use, and it's going to be hosted on your VPS. So you can track without being tracked. That's what they say. So you can track who visits, IPs, clicks, and so much more with these analytics that you'll be able to use on your website. Now, installing this is super easy on a website like I've done already, but you will need a VPS to install this. Now, luckily, I am using Hostinger, and they are the sponsor for this video. They provide the VPS, and I'm going to show you how to install this with the one-click install. So just go ahead and jump over to Services, VPS, and you'll be able to find all their affordable VPS plans that you can grab right now. Link provided in the description. Now, if you want to grab the most popular one, which is the KBM2 for $8.99 a month, you get 2 CPU cores, 8 gigabytes of RAM, and 100 gigabytes of NVMe disk space, which is more than enough to install Ackee and even more applications inside of this VPS. Now, the first thing that Hostinger is going to ask you is, how many months do you want to pay in advance? I recommend the 24 months because you're going to lock in the lowest price and the lowest renewal price. Plus, you'll be good to go for 2 years. Now, this is the current pricing, but that is not the final pricing. If you add my coupon code right here and apply it, the price is going to drop to $194.18. And that's for the 2 years paid off for the VPS, where you can install multiple applications, including Ackee. Now, to install Ackee on your VPS, go to your VPS here in each panel, select the VPS that you've just purchased. Don't forget to install Docker Manager, and then go to Projects. Once you're here, you get the option to click on Compose, one-click Deploy, and we're going to search for Ackee right here, which is one of the first ones here, which is Ackee. Ackee is a self-hosted Node.js analytics tool for privacy-focused website tracking. So go ahead and select it, and go ahead and deploy. Select your username, password, and deploy, and you'll be good to go. You'll have an interface just like this one right here, which seems simple, but in a way, you get the most important details of your website. And remember, it's privacy focused because this is on your VPS and not on someone else's hosting system or analytics somewhere else. Okay, so we'll be able to view active visitors, average views, average duration, views to days, views this month, and view this year, plus many more insights right here that you can filter out. Now, to add a domain is super easy. Just go ahead and jump into settings, and in settings, there's domains option here. Click on new domain, add your domain. So I'll just say test.com. I'll go ahead and add this right now. And once you do this, go ahead and click on this code, and it's going to provide you the embed code that you're going to install on your website. Go ahead and jump over to your WordPress website, any CMS or anything that allows you to install the script, embed it inside of there, and you'll be good to go to track the website analytics right here. So once you do that, you'll view the list of domains here, and you'll be able to view the details right here. So in this case, right now, there's nothing going on this domain that I've used, but it's simple analytics that you can use right now with privacy-focused features. So if I just want to view the site views, I can do so by pages, by refers, by duration, by systems, devices, browser size, and languages, and so much more. So it's easy and practical, kind of simple, but if you're going to get this for free and privacy-focused, I think it's a good option that you can use right now. Plus, in the VPS that you purchase here on Hostinger, you'll be able to install multiple applications inside of that Docker Manager. So you're not stuck with just that Ackee installation. So you can see right here, I have several applications installed. I have 17 right here installed that I can use with the one-click install. So it's super affordable to use once you start using multiple applications. So if you're looking for that self-hosted version of Ackee, that's a super easy way to install it. This is the way to go. Grab your VPS on Hostinger and install it with the one-click install. Hope you like this video, and that's a wrap.